Maya, are you carrying the sled up? All right, good job.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet.
She's trying to get on it.
And Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most
Can you get on the sled, honey?
reindeer of all?
Oh, there you go. There she goes.
The red-nosed reindeer had a very
Boom.
shiny nose.
Good job. Are you going to do it again?
You ever
Are you going to come down the hill?
She would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call
Here she comes. Whee! Good sledding. Is that fun? Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say, I love sledding.